Vanilla Sweet. Today's Wednesday, May 27th, 2020, and this is another edition of Crafting with Krivak. Boys and girls, today we're going to do a craft project that involves science, and in particular, it involves the molecules of a couple different substances. Let's take a look at some of the things that you're going to need. First, you're going to need some milk. You're going to need dish soap. You're going to need a cotton ball or two, food coloring, and I am going to use 2 styrofoam plates. But if you don't have styrofoam plates, you can use another dish that's shallow like this. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take one of my plates and I'm going to put a little bit of milk into the plate, just enough so it covers the bottom of the plate. So slowly, I'm going to pour some milk in, and that'll do. I'm going to set this down, put my cap back on my milk. Now for the other plate, I'm going to take both. I'm going to do two cotton balls. I'm going to take both of them, put them in the plate, and I'm going to cover them with dish soap. And I want to have a good amount of dish soap on them because I want the cotton ball to absorb as much soap as possible. All right, so now we're going to go and use our food coloring. Now, I said a few minutes ago that we're going to be looking at something called molecules. Inside of everything around us are molecules. You and I are made up of molecules. This milk is made up of molecules too. Some molecules are packed tightly together and some are more spread out. So I'm going to show you just how tightly the molecules are just how tightly the molecules are in the milk. Watch what happens when I add little drops of food coloring. Now see how I put the blue in there? And it's just kind of staying put, it's not really spreading. That's because the molecules in the milk are packed so tightly together. So I'm going to put drops of blue food coloring all around the edge of my plate. Okay. Now I'm going to do some purple or pink. And let's do some green on the inside. All right, now you can see that the molecules in the food coloring are starting to spread a little bit, but they're still kind of stuck. Now, let's go ahead and add one of my cotton balls to the solution of milk. Now this is where you can make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen when I add a cotton ball full of dish soap to the solution? Let's find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! What's happening, Mr. Krivak? Well, boys and girls, once I put the dish soap into the solution of milk, it frees up all of the molecules in the milk. And once it frees up those molecules, it allows all the food coloring to spread out. And watch, we can see it even growing. Let's try another cotton ball. Let's put this one over here on the edge. Whoops. And now you can see, watch the milk, the molecules spreading out. And look at the different designs that it's making on the plate. You can make a ton of different designs depending upon how big of a plate you use. You could use a really big plate full of milk, and you can use different colors of food coloring. The sky's the limit. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed today's Crafting with Krivak, and I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week.